Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you. Alright, so for Stampede Fury 2, when you get into the bonus round, you can either spend up to 100 buffaloes, added buffaloes, or 25 free games also. So let's see what we get. 15, no, 10. Alright, let's get 100 buffalo added on. Come on, baby. Let's go. 100. Oh no, only 20. Alright, good luck us, guys. We got all them buffaloes added on. Stampede Buffalo. Come on, buffalo, 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 buffalo. No good. Come on, baby. Man, we almost got that spin for the coin. Come on. Come on. Not too bad. Come on. Oh, we just got a nice line hit. Mega win. $120, guys. All them buffaloes. Come on. Keep going from $7 to almost $200, guys. Let's get this bonus. Come on, Stampede Fury 2. Let's go. Boom, we got it, guys. Alright. Like I said again, we can get 25 free games and 100 added Stampede Buffaloes. Come on, 25 free games. Come on. 100 added Buffalo heads. 80. Oh no, 40. Come on. 25 free games. Let's go. Let's go. 20. 8. As long as we didn't get the 5. Let's go. Yes, we got the meanie. We got
Fire
it,
shot.
guys. Come on, let's spin it. $3 to $3.15. Come on, baby. I mean, $7 to $3.15. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it all. Let's fit it all the way up. Come on. 2 more spins. 1 more spin, dude. Come on. Reset back to 3. You can do it. Come on. Stampede Fury 2. Come on. Get all of them. All of them. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Ooh, 2 more to go. Can we do it? 1 more spin left. Let's go. Oh no. Take a screenshot of that. Not too bad. Oh, baby. $270. Big winner. Yeehaw.